It's a pleasure to be speaking to you all about a very relevant topic at the intersection of computer vision and healthcare. My name is VIni Jolly, and I lead the digital health practice at Woodside Capital Partners. Woodside Capital Partners is a global independent investment bank that delivers world-class strategic and financial advice to emerging technology growth companies in diverse segments, including, of course, digital health, AI, automotive, mobility, robotics, SaaS, and much more. The firm has been around for almost 20 years and has over $8 billion in transactions under its belt. There are 4 key points that I want all of you to take away with you. First, healthcare market is massive and predicted to grow over the coming years. Second, digital health is hot and actually seeing tailwinds during the pandemic. Third, the intersection of computer vision and healthcare is a natural fit with significant positive impact. Fourth, as a result, computer vision startup ecosystem, especially in healthcare, is thriving in terms of VC investments, large tech companies getting into the space, and even new FDA policies and protocols being implemented. The easiest way to think about the technology map around embedded vision is to divide it into enabling technologies, both in terms of hardware, such as silicon, processors, sensors, and modules, and systems and solutions. Think of the latter as largely vertical applications being built on the enabling infrastructure in domains such as healthcare, agriculture, mobility, retail, etc. So let's dive into the healthcare market specifically. The US healthcare market is the largest in the world by far and projected to continue to grow from about $3.5 trillion in 2017 to almost $6 trillion by 2027. That's roughly 20% of US GDP.